Good morning, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you a concoction, a home remedy for bringing relief to cold and cough, which I chanced upon while cooking in my kitchen. I travel a lot and I carry these ingredients with me while traveling. These are the ingredients of your own kitchen. This concoction, I regularly make it at home. Do try it and let me know in the comments below. Ingredients are Asafoetida, Ajwain or Carrom seeds, black pepper, coriander seeds, and cumin seeds. Pour water in the kettle. I'll be showing you how to make it in a kettle. There's no specific order as such to put the ingredients. All you need is to put the ingredients in first and then put on the kettle so that the ingredients get to boil in the water. Cumin goes in first. Asafoetida, coriander, black pepper, Ajwain or Carrom seeds, close it, let it start boiling. It takes about 1 minute. Pour it into a glass. And this is it. Here I'll be showing you how to get it done at home in a pot. Add in all the ingredients: coriander seeds, Asafoetida, Ajwain or Carrom seeds, cumin seeds, black pepper, let it boil. As I said, there's no specific order as such to put the ingredients. All you need is to allow the water to boil with these ingredients in. Once it is done, strain the liquid into a glass and drink it in the temperature suitable for you. This concoction is very easy to make and I totally depend on this one for curing my allergic attacks resulting into sneezing and running nose. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. And if you want to see more of home remedies, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you and bye.